Hi everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for 30 Days of Sketches with Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, and there are many other people joining in with us, or with her I guess. And so this is day 4, and the sketch for day 4 really gave me a lot of trouble. There's circles in the background in a diagonal way, and I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it 100%, but I decided to go for it anyway. So I pulled out, I'm using my September hip kit, and I pulled out that crepe paper that has all the, it's like a cream with black florals, and I fussy cut all the, well not all, but most of the flowers out, and then decided to use those instead of circles. So I'm kind of arranging it behind where my photo is going to go. I played around a little bit I wanted to use some of those circular tags that I had fussy cut out of a different paper from the hip kit, and I pulled out a bunch of embellishments that I thought that I could use. So I chose to use this photo of me and my family at the pumpkin patch. I think I might have scrapped this before, but we take so many that I'm not 100% sure. The pumpkin patch is something we do every year, and I'm trying to decide whether we're going to try to do it this year or not. I guess it just depends, but anyhow, so I'm just layering up the flowers with the embellishments that I pulled out, and I decided to go with this background paper, which is from my stash. It's an October afternoon paper called Ferris Wheel, I believe, because it has a giant Ferris wheel on the back. But I really liked the color of it a lot, so I picked that one out and then kind of based my colors around that. I don't know why I've been in like this big monochromatic kind of feel lately, but that is definitely what is going on here. So just working on sticking, well, I don't even think I started sticking things down yet. Working on my layers a little bit. I'm pulling some of the gold foil stickers off of this Jen Hadfield sticker sheet that came in, and here's where I wish I had started sticking things down before I put the stickers down, because you know, stickers are sticky, and when you don't want them to stick to something is when they're gonna stick and not want to come up. So I think this is where I'm going to realize I need to start gluing everything down and then work on my embellishing, because I did pull out some other sticker sheets from my stash as well. I kind of had to boost up my embellishments for this hip kit, so I did pull out some Heidi Swapp and some other crepe paper and Maggie Holmes stickers. So here I'm going to use a combination of ATG and glue and stick everything down. I'm going to back my photo with a little bit of parchment paper, which is very similar to vellum. It's just not quite as see-through as vellum is. And I'm going to pop my photo up on some fun foam. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick all of the flowers down flat, but then I'm going to use little pieces of fun foam to pop up the leaves and the little buds and everything, just to add some dimension and give it some interest. And so you just see me doing that here. And then I'm going to go absolutely crazy with the embellishing as soon as I'm done with this. So if you haven't already, check out Christy's video. I have a link down below for her channel. She's obviously doing every day, or almost every day. Occasionally something comes up in real life that makes her not be able to participate, but she tries and she does an amazing job, and she always adds them on at the end if she does miss any days. So and then there will be links down below for everybody else playing along. I think Jackie or JQ Crafty is playing along every day. Crystal from Pineapple Papers. I think Kristen is as well. And I know I'm forgetting people, and I really apologize. But I will have links down to their videos below. But those are the main people that I know for sure are playing along most of the days. Moira, did I say Moira? I think she's playing along most days too. But again, you never know what's going to happen. You know, somebody might get sick or they might just not have time. And so we're a very forgiving hop. And also, if you play along with us, go ahead and use the hashtag, which is hashtag 30DSCBL6, because it's 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, and this is her 6th round. So if you use that, we can definitely check out all of your work. Okay, so now I have those embellishments pretty much stuck down. I'm rearranging a couple of them, and I'm going to tuck this house in, and then I'm going to end up covering it up in the end, but that's okay. I tried to get this little happy circle on, but I just couldn't find the right place for it, so I'm going to put that, oh, excuse me, put that away. I do pull out that little blue flower sticker and stick that in. I pull out this tag, and I'm going to shop that around a little bit. It doesn't end up there. I really wanted to use that sticker that says a little bit of fun, or let's have fun, but it was too like cream on cream. Like if it would have had a border around it or something, I easily could have used it, but I used that date sticker, which I have to look up the date. I still haven't filled that out. And then this other little tab off that Heidi Swap that I cut in half and used in 2 different places. And then a couple of the phrase stickers. One says love life, one says love this, and one says best. And the best one I used to cover up where I ripped that gold tree sticker when I was pulling it up. So it looks a little weird, but it's a functional sticker. And then I'm going to pull some of these puffy stickers off of this, oh, what is it? Is it from Willow Lane? I'm not sure. It's called Summertime, so probably not Willow Lane. Sticker sheet, and then I'm going to pull this little one off of the Willow Lane sticker sheet that says together is the best place to be. I'm just going to tuck that in right over there. And then my title is going to end up being off of this gold puffy sticker. This is the Lovely set that came in the Hip Kit Club kit, and I'm going to pull a couple of the 3 different leaf sprigs, clusters, I don't know what you call them, and stick them around the page, and then my title is going to be the Today off of that one. And then as well, I'm going to add some Spiegel Mom Scrap sequins from my stash. I think they're called Glitz and Glam, and they're just some glittery gold ones. It's not the exact color gold as the puffy stickers that I put on, but it's, you know, it's glittery, so it doesn't matter. It works just fine. And that's going to be my layout for today. So be sure to head and check out all of the other people playing along today, and join us every day for the month of October with our 30 Days of Sketches. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you again next time. Bye!